We have designed what we feel is the best grill to take on the move, to use in conjunction with our griddle, and really get to experience made in from a heat source perspective. This grill is handcrafted in Fort Worth, Texas, with a partner named Circle J. We wanted to be able to find a partner close by that we could visit, that we could learn from, that we could make sure have the same attention to manufacturing and material use that we do with all of our cookware. So when we got connected to Justin, we realized, hey, we're both here in Texas. He works with carbon steel and stainless steel, and he was able to help us bring our designs to life.
We've been in business over 20 years here, and what got us here are the grills that we built. I had some ideas of what they were trying to accomplish. We were able to actually design a grill that is going to stand out in the market, and I think that's one thing that makes this project so neat. Made in, but made in Texas.
Like with any collection or category we go into, we don't do it unless we think we can make it better, right? Like, we knew we had the insights from how people actually cook with our product outside to how chefs actually like to use a grill, whether it's the movable charcoal box or a really heavy-duty, best-in-class stainless steel grate on top. We have designed what we feel is the best grill to take on the move, to use in conjunction with our griddle, and really get to experience made in from a heat source perspective.
It all starts with selecting the proper material. We're going to start off by doing the main actual forming of this on the plasma cutter. And once all those components are cut, a lot of these pieces will go to a press brake where we'll actually form them. Then we'll put them in jig tables. We'll start tacking and welding up the body of the grill. At that time, we're going to move everything over to the paint line. This item is completely painted by itself. It takes about 7 days for the coating that we use to fully cure and dry so that we can start assembling. And then hopefully from there it goes to made in for not a very long time, and then hopefully it goes to you.
Some of my favorite features are, first of all, the portable performance. We made sure we could make a grill that was lighter than most of the things in the market at this size, but still performed to the highest ability. I would then say flexible charcoal box, right? The ability to bring the heat source closer and further from the ingredients depending on how hot you want that grill top to be. You're not gonna need a chimney. That is what the charcoal box is designed around. So you can dump it right in, get the coals going, and it's gonna perform great.
Within about 30 seconds, you can go from a full-on grill to a griddle or back to a grill if you need to.
This is specifically designed for the griddle to fit perfectly. You can move the grill with the griddle in place. It's not gonna move, it's not gonna wiggle. It is perfectly designed to be able to use in conjunction with the griddle. In terms of heat sources, this is solid fuel. So we're talking about any kind of charcoals, solid woods, binchotans. That's why we're using the best carbon steel, the best stainless steel from here in the US, so that you can run this thing at all temperatures all day long and have durability and performance that will last you forever.
This grill is so versatile in what it can do, from being portable, taken to the deer lease, taken to the lake, taken to a picnic, or permanently set up with the other items in the backyard. This grill's for everybody. When you grab it and you feel the weight and you feel the texture and you know it's not a cheap item. It's got the weight to make it right.
We're very proud to be launching a product with another Texas business made here in Texas, and really from somebody that is an expert grill builder. We're getting all of Circle J's institutional knowledge and experience in building great grills that chefs can use and pitmasters can use and have durability and performance that can last a really long time.